now. Our cassava with coconut milk is ready to serve. So guys, hello everyone. I'm going to cook cassava with coconut milk and brown sugar, and they call yuca. You have to put the cassava inside the pot. Then we have to add brown sugar. And also coconut milk. And then boil it until it's cooked, and so we have to simmer it. Guys, it's boiling now. It's not cooked yet, but it's already delicious. It looks delicious already. Hi guys, this is cassava. Cassava with sugar, brown sugar, and also coconut milk or gata. Balanghoy guys, sobrang sarap, no? My granddaughter, one of her favorite. Kaya nagluto ako while she's sleeping and cooking. So when she wake up, then I feed her. Thank you. Subscribe, like, share, and please leave comment. Thank you to all my supporters. And please don't forget to post the notification bell, so every time I upload my video, you always updated. Thank you. Guys, now we have to check our cassava. Look at guys, it's really done. It's really delicious. You have to try, guys. Just very simple recipe as brown sugar and also coconut milk or gata. And this is cassava. Cassava or balanghoy, guys. So this is the gata or coconut milk. I bought this from Walmart. Ayan, guys. Yum, yum, yum. Super yummy. One of my favorite also, guys. Pa natin. As you can see, guys, look very yummy. Look at that. Yummy, guys. So this cassava, they have a skin or balat. Binalatan ko na lang, guys, at hiniwa-hiwa. And then I cut it, I skin it, and cut it. Almost done. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe now. Our cassava with coconut milk is ready to serve. guys. Wow, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, likes, and share. Cassava with sugar and coconut milk. Thank you, thank you.